कितना से प्राइस बता दो
100 रुपया
100 रुपया Okay guys, you know if you buy the strawberry, one packet is 100 rupees. Look guys. So guys, welcome to another vlog. It's your friend John. So guys, today I'm here with a new vlog, right? So basically guys, I was just walking down the street and I spotted a guy selling strawberry on his head in the middle of the street, right? It's crazy, right? In Kolkata, right? So let's go and talk to him and see and explore the business that he does here in the street of Kolkata. And guys, if you're watching my vlog for the first time, please subscribe. And if you're first time on my channel, please subscribe. Okay, so let's go explore and speak to this brother. Let's go. A guy is selling strawberry on his head, right, in the middle of the street. There you go. You see this brother is selling strawberry on the main road, right? This is the main road and you see all the vehicles are going, right? He's selling the strawberry on his head. It's crazy. Look. Excuse me, bhai, brother. Side में आओ, side में आओ. How are you? आप कैसे हो? आप ठीक हो? क्या बेच रहे भैया? Strawberry. आप दिखाओ, एक बार दिखाओ. Show please. Look guys, this brother is selling the strawberry, right, on the middle of the street here, right? Well, आपका नाम क्या भैया?
मेरा नाम मुनीर
Munit. Nice to meet you, भाई. Nice to meet you, brother. तो इसका प्राइस कितना से प्राइस बता दो
100 रुपया
100 रुपया Okay guys, if you buy the strawberry, one packet is 100 rupees. Look guys, the way he sells the strawberry in the middle of the street here, right? It's crazy guys. Have you seen anybody selling? He's a very cool salesman. He works really hard, right? Well, I'm in an environment called the Park Street and this brother sells the strawberry on his head there. He's going, right? So let's not disturb him, right? He's busy. So I'm in an environment called Park Street, right? So this is how it is guys. It's crazy, right? So if you buy one packet is 100 rupees for one packet. 100 rupees is like $1 a few cents. That's how it is. So look guys, so what he does is he waits on the road here and once the signal goes red, so he tries and sells those to those people in the car, right? So it's very cool, something very unique that you see here in the street of Kolkata, right? Look guys, this guy is working so hard, man. He's a very cool salesman, Look guys, so right now the signal is red and that brother is trying to sell the strawberry, whoever is willing to buy, right? It's crazy guys, It's crazy, man. If you've seen anything like this, you let me know in the comment, right? I just spoke to him, I don't know what name he told me his name was. Anyways, I wish him good luck, right? I wish him good business, right guys? This is how it is. And please subscribe, right guys? It's crazy. Look. And the time right now is about 12 in the afternoon, right? The time right now is 12 in the afternoon and I'm in an environment called Park Street. Well, if you go straight and take the left from here, you will reach to the main location, like the busiest Park Street area where you find the pubs and everything, right? And the Park Hotel, one of the biggest hotels here is called the Park Hotel. If you go straight and take the left from here, right? So yeah, look guys. Okay, I will try and go to him and say bye to him, right? Well, the signal is red. He's trying to sell that again. Look. So one packet is for 100 rupees, so it's crazy. Look guys. It's right in the middle of the street. I'm blocking the cars, well, let's speak to him. Okay. Brother, thank you. आप बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहे हो. आप बहुत hard work कर रहे हो. Like you're working very hard. And what was your name? You said. आपका नाम क्या है? Munib. Nice to meet you, Mr. Munib. Okay, so I will say bye. I will say bye. Okay, so Mr. Munib, thank you. I have to milao. You're doing a good job. Okay, guys. So we all wish you a good luck. You have some good business, right? So guys, this is the strawberry. Look, guys. So if you buy this, you know, this whole one box like this is for 100 rupees. Is for 100 rupees, right? Look, guys. It's crazy. Thank you, brother. Okay, guys. So that was me trying to show you, you know, a guy selling strawberry on his head in the middle of the street here in the street of Kolkata, right? And I believe that you enjoyed the vlog. Do not forget to smash that subscribe button and yeah, let's make memories. Love, peace. I will see you in my next vlog. Bye bye, guys. Please subscribe. Bye.